Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year's. Hope everyone had a safe weekend. We're going to give you an update on the Hush Puppy build here. Got a couple things done, and we're going to do a couple things in today's video, and just follow along. All right, guys, so for an update, I got the cold side done to the turbo kit, and it looks pretty good. It's 3-inch piping, just eBay cheap stuff. But got it in. It's gonna look good. The car is gonna be completely unassuming. And look at that. Put the hood on it. I'm gonna put some stock wheels on it, take these ugly looking wheels off. And I just wanna make it completely sleeper look for riding around on the street. And then we'll get a set of RC comps for the track and stuff. But man, it's looking good, guys. But yeah. It was pretty simple and all matched up. The only thing I had to cut or do anything with was this piece here. But the 180s and everything, it all fit on there good. So now we got the cold side done. I need to get the hot side done. I really don't want to keep this turbo because it's got this funky ass back housing and everything on it, and then so I don't know. I still may keep it, I may not, I don't know. But it's all cheap stuff anyways. Like I said, just something to get everything going. But today I'm going to jack up the rear end, and I ain't gonna start on the brakes. The next thing for this car is the brakes. I'm just trying to get every little thing done that I can, and then save up for all the expensive stuff. All the electronics and everything else on this car is extremely expensive to run for that motor, but when we get done, it's going to be done right. So we're going to get going on the brakes here, get all the old lines off, get all the stuff cleaned up, get it finished painted underneath there, and prep it for all new brake lines. Fellers, got her jacked up here, and all this stuff in here is what we're aiming to get rid of. All these old fuel lines, all these old brake lines, emergency brake cable stuff, just all this junk, because we're getting all new brake lines on this thing, other than that's what's on the rear end, because what's on the rear end is perfectly fine. See all these old cables. It's gonna be a task because some of this stuff, this is pretty corroded on there. The whole car, I mean, underside of the car is not bad. What you see there is all dirt. That's dirt from it just sitting in a field. You can see where I've painted the back half of the car, where the subframe and the unibody meet, but I want to paint the whole underside of the car is the goal, and get the brake lines out from underneath it, so we can put all new brake lines on it. That way when this thing's rolling at a good speed, we can cut it off. Do what? What? Where are you at? My helper is not wanting to help me today. She's wanting to play with Play-Doh. So let's set us up a time lapse and let's get after it. Try to get all these lines out from underneath here. This is gonna be fun. Guys, well, I filmed a bunch of extra information and content on what everything I had going on with the GoPro, and unfortunately I cannot get the image in the video, well, the videos to work properly and to play back in the right resolution. So I kind of jammed the last little bit of this video together, and so hopefully I'm gonna make the best of it and not use the GoPro moving forward. And I'm got a camera ordered and I'm waiting on it to come in. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you had a good New Year and you know, enjoyed this little bit of video I got for the car. Like I said, it's coming along. I can't wait to have this thing on the road. Big announcement coming soon. We are going to, well, let's just go ahead and say it. We're going to try to do the Summit Drags Midwest Drag and Drive with the car. It's in July, so I'm going to thrash on this thing and get it done so we can make a couple passes before we go do it. It'll probably run like the 11-second class. I said this thing's not going to be real fast at first, but we'll keep building on it. Like I said, always, you know, keep doing your best. Outwrench the rest. That's all you can do. Like, share, subscribe, and, you know, turn that notification bell on. Help me out. Getting good views on the shorts, so let's get the overall videos up. Thanks.